Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, and Smith Richard here. Yes, we are looking at this question. The statement says that the elements in the periodic table are arranged according to increasing dash. Increasing what? Increasing atomic number. Then comes another question here. It says, name any four examples of one, nonmetals. So what are examples of nonmetals? We saw nonmetals on the periodic table at the end to the right of the periodic table. It has elements like, okay, we can say carbon. We can say oxygen. We can say nitrogen. We can say chlorine. There are many. Phosphorus, and so on and so forth. Yes. Yeah. So comes this question. Name any four examples of metals. On the periodic table, we saw that metals are found on the left-hand side of the periodic table. The examples of magnesium, of calcium, of sodium, barium, and so many, plus transitions like copper. Can also look at our friend aluminium, zinc. All these ones, you can check for these ones. They are on the left hand side of the periodic table. Yeah, so comes this question. It says that name any two examples of metalloids. Okay. The best example here are silicon and germanium. Those are the most common ones. So that is that. Then comes this question. It says that consider the list of elements below. And these are the elements we are talking about. And the question says, identify each, whether it's a metal, non-metal, or metalloid. Okay. So let's look at silicon. What is silicon? Silicon is metalloid. It has both characters, metals and non-metals. Okay, calcium, what is it? It's a metal. Nitrogen, what is it? It's a nonmetal. Oxygen, what is it? It's a nonmetal. Carbon, it's a nonmetal. Germanium, it's a metalloid. Sodium, it's a metal. And aluminium, it's a metal. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that write the chemical symbol of each of the elements above. Okay. So what is the chemical symbol for silicon? It is Si. We have to remember that when you are writing the chemical symbol, it can be one letter or two letters. If it is one letter, it's supposed to be a capital letter. And if there are two letters, the first one is a capital and the second one is a smaller letter. So in other words, for silicon, there are two letters. The first one is capital letter and the next one is smaller letter. Calcium, there are two letters, so it's going to be capital C, small a. For nitrogen, it's one letter, so it's capital N. Oxygen is one letter, so it's capital O. Carbon is one letter, so it's capital C. Germanium, there are two letters, so it's capital G and small e. Sodium, there are two letters, so it's going to be capital N, small a. Aluminium, there are two letters, so it's going to be capital A and small l. And with that, I'd like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we are simply the best. See you then. Bye-bye.